What's up, RJ fans?
What is it?
It's a baseball.
What type of baseball?
You know what type of baseball? A game baseball.
Bro, it's Major League, bro. So this is JJ.
Here.
Well, I guess we're gonna open this bad boy, and I don't give a hell.
The hell? Please stand by.
Show them these. Why I'm opening it.
Alright. A rare comic. Who is Dr. Vibes?
Hey, that's Vibes right there.
The Donald Duck. Let's go. Yo, Superman with the president.
Supreme.
Supreme. I don't know what's going on here. Robot killing.
Show it the
three musketeers.
No, this one.
Yo.
And this one.
Yo, what's good?
You read from this part.
Yeah, no one. Just delete this.
Show them everything
here,
else.
like, Sonic. Yep. I'm gonna go fast.
Bro, look who wants this.
Free blanket.
Sounders
free blanket.
Sounders
The
blanket.
first person to like gets a free blanket.
Say get RJ to 20,000 views. Because I'm at 18,000 views.
If our
Say get RJ to 20,000 views for a giveaway.
get RJ 2,000 views for a giveaway.
2,000? It's
Yeah.
20,000.
20,000
I'm
update.
18,000.
20,000.
And I'll do a free giveaway outside my house. You have to come to Seattle.
Yep.
And I don't give a.
I don't know who this is, but it's just I don't know.
Just on my bed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mom's here.
Okay.
Say bye.
Peace. Okay, move. Move, fat boy.
Come on, fat boy. Go, bro. Look at that. Look, booty cheek reveal. Oh, bye, JJ.
Peace. Body.
But anyways, I'm still opening this. Wait, I'll say it guys there. Ooh. Alright guys, ready? This is the review. That's a nice baseball. As you might see, I opened it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and get me to 20,000 views and 100 subs. Bye.